All right, you guys, so here's one of the boat room villas. Every villa is sitting on the water like a boat. It's shaped like a boat. So you come in. Here's the door. It's shaped like a boat on the inside too. And you come straight in. It's a nice king size bed. Little bar. Stairs down to your living room. Nice flat screen TV. Couches. And you come right off out to the balcony. You have this amazing view. It's lined up with all the other boats. You have a lounge area outside with an umbrella. Dining table for you to have breakfast. Ceiling shaped like the top of the hut, a boat hut. Then you come over here and you have a little nice bathroom. His and her sinks. Nice closet with closet space. Then you have the safe and the toilet. Nice walk-in shower. Shower head comes from the ceiling. Yeah, guys, this is one of the boat villas. Hope you enjoyed it.